Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Safari, open the browser, and make sure you're on the right user profile. You should decide what to delete: history, cookies, cache, or specific site data, because each affects browsing differently. Once chosen, open the History menu or Preferences to access removal tools. For site-specific data, go to Preferences Privacy. Once done, you'll be ready to perform targeted deletions without losing saved passwords you still need. You now carry out the deletions. If you want a broad wipe, use History Clear History and pick a time range, because that removes records across devices if iCloud Sync is enabled. For targeted cleanup, open Preferences Privacy, manage website data, search a site, and remove its data. If pages still misbehave, enable the Develop menu and choose Empty Caches to clear cached resources. Make sure to close tabs you aren't using before continuing. You finish by restarting Safari or your device to ensure changes fully apply. This helps clear in-memory caches. Make sure to re-sign into sites where cookies or saved credentials were removed, and verify settings in Preferences passwords if needed. If a site still misloads or expected deletions didn't take effect, disable extensions temporarily and repeat the deletion steps, because extensions can block removal. If that resolves it, re-enable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.